Okay.
So I'm like a bit nervous about this also.
Okay,
Both of you
so
have.
the first 5 questions are all about Mavra.
Right.
Okay, question number 1. हाँ छुपा के लिखना है.
छुपा के.
बस यहाँ देखो मत ना.
What was Mavra's favorite toy growing up?
That was easy.
What should I?
Lakho. Purple bicycle and dolls.
Oh, your dolls.
Of course you played with dolls more.
I thought you'll write
I mean,
both.
yeah, I remember the purple.
I'm obsessed with both of
bicycle
them,
also.
no?
Yeah, you were.
Okay, one thing that Urva does that irritates Mavra the most.
That I do.
Yeah, that irritates her the most.
Oh
Okay, I
God.
did that today also. I thought there'd be a few.
Yeah, no, but I was thinking of what you'll write.
What is it?
Sure? Getting late. Good one, guys. I think Urva is so scared कि उसको डांट पड़
Yeah,
जाएगी.
बहुत सकती है. Oof, Allah.
No, but she does.
She's like always ready and she's like, Urva, you need to wake up.
I sometimes
Urva.
wonder, like I
And
sometimes
she's
want
like,
to
"Pura
delay
ready?"
me getting
and
up.
that depresses you more that, oh, I'm that late. Now I've given up.
That's
I
me
don't
and my
want to
sister.
do this anymore. You know, you're that low on it.
Mavra's favorite thing to eat when she is depressed or down.
Easy. Why such easy questions?
वो जीतना चाह रही तो मैं क्या करूं?
I guess.
I think you'll get it. Or like do whatever.
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
नहीं, पहले हम दो में play.
Chocolate और कढ़ाई.
Yeah, chocolate fudge
Cool.
cake.
Yeah.
Cool, okay.
I got it right.
Kadai or nihari when it's like a daytime getting sad.
Oh, I love
Chocolate
nihari.
fudge cake when it's
When it's the
nighttime.
night.
The one lie Mavra tells the most.
Oh, that's hard. One lie that I tell. I must lie about something to you.
Okay, turn them
I'm
around.
ready.
No, we've gone wrong.
When I don't like a friend
yeah.
of hers or loses
Oh, she
something.
loses something.
Of
Yeah,
course,
yeah, had
of
to be.
course. Yeah.
अच्छा, last one.
Good, yaar. Going well.
Yeah, very well.
है
यार,
ना?
आज तो मुझे तो डांटने का मौका ही नहीं मिला. अच्छा, this is very cute and sweet.
Yeah.
What cheers up Mavra the most?
Right? You should know what it is.
Let me think.
Man, you know it. There are two things.
Wow.
Not bad, huh?
A gift
Not-
or a day at salon.
So I'll give you.
मेरे birthday तक पहुंच गई ना हालांकि अभी
वो तो once a year होता है ना. This is
हाँ.
like often.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is often.
Yeah,
A
yeah.
gift. Any gift. Okay, bring me anything. Bring me flowers. Just keep bringing me something. And Bichari, she does a lot.
अच्छा, okay. What is Urva's all-time favorite film?
Oh no.
Oh no, there's many.
There are too many. Pehna?
To get there already.
The
That's
one-
why I start writing. What if I go wrong?
Listen, the ones that we've recently watched, we can't even write them here.
वो देख ली है. वो देख-
करो यार.
I did.
She's seen
Achha,
it.
I
Now.
swear I was going to write the same.
No, you've seen it now. This is
I
like
swear to God.
No, but this is.
disqualified.
No, but this
Sorry.
is. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, it is. It
मेरा
is.
पहला प्यार
I think
अधूरा
it
रह गया,
is.
remember?
कुछ होता है.
We do this a lot. अच्छा, okay, next.
अच्छा, okay, next one. Urva's greatest pet peeve.
Obviously.
I hope I get it right.
You better.
ये को पढ़ ले इसने जो लिखा है ना.
दिखाओ.
A
Hygiene and
dirty room. Yeah, hygiene.
mismanagement.
And क्या लिखा नीचे?
Disorganized stuff.
Yeah,
Unorganized stuff.
see, दोनों, I got both of them right. I got 2
Unorganized होता है
points.
कि disorganized होता है?
Disorganized.
Disorganized.
Oh,
Unorganized भी
sorry.
होता है.
But it's okay. Doesn't
दोनों
matter.
होते हैं.
One item of clothing she wears over and over and
Ah.
over again.
What if you need to stop wearing it, okay?
Over and over and over again.
Yeah, उस दिन भी मैंने बोला मत पहनो ये दोबारा 600 दफा पहन चुकी हो.
ये होता है जब बहनें इकट्ठी होती हैं.
No, I generally
You know, she would
also
try
wear my
5 new
clothes over
outfits.
and over again. I don't like new stuff. I like
I was just going to say that I'll get
the stuff
5 new
that's-
outfits for
that
her.
I'm comfortable
And
with.
she'd end up wearing the one she always wears and she'd say, "Ye
You're like my youngest sister.
Am I?
Yeah.
Are
Because
you
she's like
Fire
that.
char.
हाँ, kafayat shirt, polo shirts. You
My
lose a
t-shirt.
point.
I mean, yeah.
No.
ये तो white ही है. मैंने white क्यों नहीं लिखा?
No, done.
No.
She got me there. She made me not elaborate.
Yeah, you didn't
1
let her
point
think.
off.
Yeah.
Why is it always?
Sorry.
Is it not the white?
But you're
shirt and then-
winning.
It is, but she said एक.
No, but it's
But you're still winning.
No, but it's not the polo shirts. It's
But I
always
don't
this
want her
one
to lose.
white shirt that she. It's a plain white shirt, Polo shirts are still nicer, and you keep switching between the colors.
But then you said the one
You know that one white shirt. That
yeah,
one.
but then you said you recently pehni thi, and you said
Sorry. Give me.
Why
The
are you sorry? I'm sorry.
Give me the point because I am saying the truthful thing.
Now, what's her favorite comfort food?
I know
You know?
everything. I know. Yeah, sure. Dal chawal.
Vegetables.
Yeah, vegetables.
But it was supposed to be comfort food, but this is my comfort food.
Yeah.
Okay. One annoying habit of Urva's when she is traveling.
Traveling करते वक्त one annoying habit of Urva's.
You are mostly very annoyed by it, and you're always rechecking with me.
मेरे गेस्ट बहुत बड़े cheaters
वो तो मुझे पता है. That is you. वो मैंने पहले भी लिखा है उर्वा. मैं बार-बार लिख के reiterate नहीं करना चाहती.
बेटा
अच्छा
नहीं
लगता.
लिखा, नहीं लिखा.
I am annoyed. दिखाओ.
Forgetting the passport.
Yeah.
Oh,
I've done that a couple of times, so.
Well, that's a
But
good one.
then I've still made it in time because.
But when you know the last time you forgot it was 3 years ago. So I think I want to appreciate that you've changed this habit.
Yeah.
Which is why
I
I
didn't
could-
say it's a habit.
Yeah, but you used
Say
to do
it.
it. We would reach the airport and she said, "Oh no," and then her flights would get rescheduled because we'll all fly. क्या
I've done
करें?
that a couple of
और ये
times.
घर जाती थी इसकी अगले दिन सुबह फिर फ्लाइट होती थी. But that was a few years ago और उसने अपनी आदत बदली है माशाल्लाह.
Masha.
Acha. Okay. That was fun. So the winner today is Urva and Mavra.
No, but I made her do.
No,
But-
but it's okay. It's a win-win.
It's a win-win. You guys got
When
to
me and
learn.
Urva play, it's a win-win.
Sorry, bro.
It's okay, bro.
अच्छा मुझे बताओ कि who's more short-tempered?
Short-tempered how?
Like कौन ज्यादा लड़ता है?
आपस में?
हाँ.
दोनों बराबर का.
बराबर का.
हाँ.
क्या गुस्सा किसको जल्दी
लेकिन वो
चढ़ता है?
बहुत फनी वाला होता है. मतलब हम पता है रिसेंटली किस बात पे लड़े. I was telling somebody else also the other day ना. हमें कौन पूछा था आप दोनों लड़ती हैं? मतलब people are very curious to
Curious
know our
के like,
chemistry.
yeah.
So I was like हाँ. Our last fight was at the fact कि एक parcel आया from a designer. And I was like, wow, it's really nice. It was for her. And I was like, wow, it's so nice. She's like, ले लो. नहीं, but it's for
No,
you.
but it's for you.
उधर ले लो
No,
ना.
but you
And
can
I'm like,
take
no,
it.
it's for you. तो
I'm
उधर
like,
क्या है
but
यार?
I'm
Nice
giving
for
it to you. Why
ले लो,
can't you take it?
ले
She's like,
लो.
but it's for you. Why
And
don't
we're
you
literally
take it?
fighting and
So
Amma
this
is
is
on
how-
FaceTime and she's like, what are you guys fighting at? She's like, अम्मा फिर से nice क्यों कहा? मैंने कहा भाई मैंने वैसे ही
अम्मा
कह
गिरी
दिया।
send it to me.
अम्मा गिरी
Stop
मुझे भेज
fighting.
दो। तो मतलब it's
So why
like
did I
that.
just put पहले आप
पहले
and then it
आप,
turns into,
पहले आप.
why
Yeah.
aren't you taking it?
Yeah,
That's
and
too
that
funny.
does waste a lot of
It is
time for
funny.
people also. Like if we're at a shoot together, we're like, you like this shirt? And I'm like, yeah, whatever. If you like it, you wear it. She's like, no, but if you like it, you wear it. And the photographer is watching that. What are they doing? What is this?
अच्छा okay, so for the big reveal now, girls. Woohoo!
Yeah.
तो मैं trumpets बजाऊं क्या करूं?
कुछ
नहीं.
तो बजाएं आप कह रही हैं तो ऑफर कर दिया तो कुछ तो बजाएं. It's not bad.
All right, girls, take the show.
So the big reveal is our brand that we're also wearing today, by the way.
It's
The
called,
t-shirts and the jeans.
what is it called?
It's called UXM. UXM.
Yeah, so it's Urva into Mavra and the short
Yeah.
form is UXM.
Acha, I want to know a little bit more about the brand. So tell me, so you're doing just t-shirts?
We're offering t-shirts, what we're wearing right now, there are many designs in these. And we're trying to keep it very quirky and fun. जो चीज़ें हम पहनना चाहते हैं और हमें नहीं मिलती थी. So we're making that. We're also
The
making
stuff that
denim.
we'd always get from abroad.
Yeah.
We'd be like, why can't we find t-shirts in Pakistan?
So we're designing those now.
And in fact, we also figured out that, found out that most of the brands abroad are getting things made from Pakistan.
Yeah, everything.
So we are
thought
fully
mine
made
is
in
well.
Pakistan.
yeah,
We're
everything's
making
made here.
t-shirts.
Zara, everyone.
We're making denims, we're making jewelry, we're making cotton shirts, and we're coming. This is just the first line, which is called the whitewash.
And we